Oh, why do I keep missing these really good shots?
Whoa!
That was a home run. Okay, Chrissy, I'm jumping down now.
Well, I'm doing a video now, so
Hilarious saves me. Are you filming?
yeah.
You
Okay.
tell me.
Okay.
Countdown, man.
Three,
No, no,
two,
wait!
one. 3, 2, 1.
Ah,
Oh.
no.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That was really clumsy, for fuck's sake.
Why would you do that?
For the trolls. Yes, thank you for beating me up.
No.
I'm choosing your speeder.
How
No.
No.
Ah,
Damn it.
that forced exhaustion slow. Plus Twin Saber slow.
Must be first.
No!
How are you this quick?
Oh, the hell? Wait, I think I can manage to get there.
Well, that's really slow.
Yep.
Yes.
No, come on.
Please, yeah, I'm coming for you.
That
If I
sounded
don't die,
fatal.
of course.
Come pull me.
Actually, I could pull you. No, you're
Damn
too far.
resolve.
That'll be interesting to see what happens. Can you actually reach me?
I think I can manage to pull you mid-flight, you know.
Maybe if I jumped.
Still down there?
Yeah, I'm still down here.
Okay, here goes.
Whee!
No, I couldn't.
Maybe if I just more towards the water. Let's see if I come back. Oh, blimey, this is really weird. Oh, it's like I'm running against the water, and it's like making no progress.
Let me try again.
Yeah, I'm like running into the waterfall. Yeah, it looks quite good. I'll jump. It looks like I'm getting so close to it, but not really getting anywhere.
Oh, damn. How did you die?
By jumping down for a
Ah, yeah.
photo.
Oh, ah, you.
No.
Yeah, I found you.
But I was so well hidden.
Yeah, you were actually. Oh, come on.
What? How? Where did you die?
And I'm stuck. Unbelievable.
Unacceptable.
Oh, actually. Oh. Oh my god, that was really close. And I'm stuck again. Oh my god. Jesus.
It isn't stopping you from healing though.
Yeah, of course. It's all instance. Let me
Oh
see
yeah,
actually if I
I'm
can
stuck
cast.
too. Yeah, that helped. Thank you. You
Let
see,
me
Alarius,
help
all
you with
you
that.
need is a leap.
Yeah,
That
nice.
pull did nothing.
It
No,
got
that
him
pull
really
actually
close.
got me unstuck.
Great shot every 12 seconds. Wait, what? What just happened?
I don't know. Whoa. There's some guy up there.
Yeah.
Yep, there.
Why didn't that push work on you?
Well,
Oh.
okay.
Oh, it's probably
No,
just
I can't see. Oh, alright.
force exhaustion gives
The
some
force is
CC
immunity.
But
immunity.
he looked like he bounced back and then came back.
Maybe you actually jumped with zero sleep right in. Right
I'm
in
gonna.
time. Oh fuck.
I'm gonna see if I can run off the edge now. Actually, let me see if I can
Oh,
run to the
that's
side or make anything. I wonder if I
Oh,
can.
where are you also? But yeah, the up there.
Yeah, I replaced the power tech.
Yeah.
Let me see if this helps. No, it didn't.
Yeah, this. Oh gosh, this is like traversing the waterfall. But I'm not really getting anywhere. Kind of like glitches and takes me back.
No.
Oh, I walked right across you then. Oh, I wonder if I can. I'm going to try and jump down now. Right, I'm trying to run off. I can't run off either.
That wasn't the plan.
I can't go anywhere. I'm just stuck.
This is your life now.
To be forever running on the edge of the waterfall. Yeah, running down the waterfall. This could be a good shot.
Random guy on Yavin 4.
Oh. Oh, I'm gonna have to do.
Oh,
I'm gonna have to do Stark. I like.
sure, it's
Wait.
nothing weird.
I want to see if I can pull you.